Ayan, okay po. Pwede na po tayo kumukoy.
Happy birthday din niya! Happy birthday, Daniel! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Daniel! Ano yung sinabi ni Ate Ben? ATM na.
Ang gift na to kasi, ano, you will like this gift because this is Spider-Man. With lots of pen and ano, for drawing. Okay? Thank you and God bless you.
Happy birthday, Ganda. You hope you have the best birthday ever. And I got you this gift because I heard you like reading books. You can prefer it, but I'm gonna explain it for you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Ganda. God bless. I wish you happy life. Thank you.
Ganda. Ito yung apo namin. Sorry ka, apo. So, ang prayer ko, mas lumaki ka pang tawag doon daw? 7. Lolo. Happy birthday. May you be a good boy always to your mommy and daddy. And God bless enough. And do good in your school. Okay? Okay? Okay. Oh, sorry for it ako po.
Dahil po, and wish po na yung daily protection ng Lord ay maranasan mo, tapos yung consolation sa kanyang magka-dream come true. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Na matupad mo yung pangarap mo. Ako nila ko. Mabait na ka.
Yeah, so palagpakan naman natin yung isang gift natin. So, for this moment, pwede niyo muna pong i